Okay, good morning everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right, so we're gonna start our section shortly. Okay, so I get a quick disclaimer over here. This section we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, so make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. Okay. So what we're gonna look into KLC again as for today, looks like Trump, okay, still got a bit of changes in terms of the tariff, but looks like they impact much as for right now. All right, but again, do remember markets still overall still in a bearish condition. Okay, so I mean by looking into technical charts right now. Okay, they are not in a very good so-called trend. Okay, so one thing you have to be careful. So for me is that I still think that 1500 will remain a challenging area. Okay, so it looks like yesterday make a good closing, today heading to this area over here. Today is Tuesday, so probably towards this week we're going to see some retest around this area over here. So if let's say fail to retest, okay, so be prepared. The price will go back to 1400. Okay. Well, like I say, as long as it didn't cross the gap, I will still think that KLSC is still a little bit of risky and dangerous if you want to trade short term, especially on the all in right now. Okay. So well, there are a few things. These are things that happens right now against Trump. There's always change his statement, so we're not sure. Okay, when is the next announcement will be? Okay. Now again, looking into the overall sectors over here, mostly is in green. Good news. Okay, tax, yes, tax do hit slightly because of the. I think over the weekend he says that there's no tariff for semiconductors and tech related, or maybe food, right? But now he says that probably there will be some changes, okay, in the upcoming announcement. So that's why I think, yeah, tax have been hit slightly, okay, this morning. All right, so the rest is in green. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, like I say, I will still look for short opportunity. If you got any counters that you think that is worthwhile to watch out, just let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna continue some of the stocks that we talked about yesterday. Okay, I think since last week I've been talking about Salcon. I'm not sure anyone here followed this trade or not, but yesterday went up to almost 10%. Okay, so yeah, this one actually for me is still very good. Okay, for me in my opinion, today a bit slow, already slowed down a little bit. Yeah, probably I will consider to take some profit already for Salcon. Okay, so good steps overall. I think yesterday is a nice pullback patterns forming with high volume, but unfortunately market is a bit slow today. All right, so I suspect probably they will retest back the support area, okay, before they go on to continue this 360. Okay, so well, like I said, market's not super bullish. If you can, partial profit. Okay, I'm considering partial profit for Celcom for today. Okay, so there is Celcon. The other one I think we do talk about DoFu as well. But DoFu looks like today, I'm not sure lah. Maybe gonna hit also a bit lah. Okay lah, a bit lah, not much lah. So still got opportunity. I kind of like the volume from DoFu, something that actually I'm looking into actually for DoFu. All right, so if I look into hourly chart over here, okay, let's see. Okay lah, boleh lah. Actually didn't impact that much, luckily. So well, probably later I will try lah. See whether 105 I can lucky get or not. Okay. 105 maybe to this is the next resistance level. Okay, the main resistance I think will be around 120. Okay, 120 probably is the main one around the gap area. Okay, so probably got some rooms to do a little bit of short-term opportunities. Okay, so most probably later on, yeah lah, DoFu kind of like it. Okay. Okay, I think yesterday also we also got talk about Opstar, right? Let's go into Opstar. Again, I just go through some of the stock first. Your stocks, just let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll look into Emulus. Then later on we go into our intraday alerts. Then we're gonna end our sections. Okay. So okay, Opstar yesterday also with volume but narrow spread. Today also I think it dropped a little bit. Okay, now let's go to hourly chart. Okay, so for me, as long as above this gap, I think should not be an issue lah. Okay, but I want to see if hourly chart touch the 20 MA or not. Okay, so this one's still worth to pay attention to. Okay, kind of like Opstar as well. Okay, this is Opstar. Okay, now let's do some glove as well. Okay, let's try hourly chart. Okay, 220. Okay, 220 is so very nice. Okay, this one's good. Okay, I'm actually looking Kosan and Hata. Okay, still above gaps. Okay, yeah, maybe I think I will try Kosan. Of course, not in the very best location, but at least they are still kind of like holding around the gaps. Okay, now it's 185. Yeah, maybe try Kosan. Okay, I think Kosan probably got some chance. Okay, so immediately we got some so-called potential opportunities. Okay, so yeah, like I say, currently I still in Salcon. The rest probably I look for one or two more lah. Against right now it's not a very good market. So what my strategy is that I trade, but I don't enter with my so-called usual trades. Okay, so for example, if my usual per trade is 20K per trades, right now I reduce half, 10K per trades, or maybe 8K per trades. Okay, because yeah, there's a lot of things still pretty uncertain. I don't like to go in everything first. Still keep a bit of cash. Okay, K group also very nice. Okay, but the problem is K group is that it's a 20 over cents counter, like below the cents counters. Okay, so most probably if let's say I miss Kosan or maybe Opstar Dufu, I'll look the K group. But K group actually is a very nice setup. So here look doing a little bit pullback. Now yesterday this one also pretty nice. I didn't aware that actually Harlem actually do a very nice pullback. Okay, until someone told me to take a look into Harlem. Okay, and then I check. Oh, okay, this one is good. Okay, this Harlem is good. Okay, strong trend coming up from since December. Okay, and it stopped in March. Okay, I think the tariff things. So here doing a nice so-called pullback with hammer. Okay, again this is a bit similar as Salcon also. It goes up deep pullback, but this one not deep pullback. Just a very narrow pullbacks. Okay, then we got a nice hammer holding more around 20 MA. Right, so probably this one it will be a bit slow and steady type, but overall it's a nice setup anyway. Okay, so for those that who are looking for a plantation slow and steady type of counters, I think Harlem kind of fits at this moment. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call, just that I spotted this, probably want to share with you all. Okay, so against FA pretty good. Pajowski F score 7 out of 9. Okay, so not bad overall. Okay, TA wise also pretty good. Almost 6/10. All right, so considering on this kind of market, I think it's good. Okay. Now let's do into some of the stocks that you have for me. Now this is a few counters that personally I'm watching. Okay, hopefully later on we got more. I know property also moving slightly as well, but all the property or maybe those are DC related one. Like I said, I'm not that keen at this moment. Okay, because previously they got some sort of like a distribution kind of patterns. Okay, so that's why I skip first. I go for others. Okay, but looks like here got reversal. If you look into Mr. DIY as well, nice reversal as well. I'm not sure whether it become like what Hexstar, is it Hexstar? The other day we posted in the Telegram, the one last week. So shocked. Okay, they straight go out of the reversal. So I'm not sure whether it happens or not. So here, yes, it do show a nice reversal, but not much of volume. But if let's say later on pull back to 1.5 with low volume, I think it's a great setup. Okay, to look out for. This one have been dropped badly. So if you look into over here, okay, we have a high volume. Normally, if let's say high volume got double bottom reverse, it's a good sign. That's why I spotted it. I share out in Telegram. So maybe if got chance, okay, probably I will try some also for Mr. DIY. Okay, any others? I don't think so. So okay, now let's start with Emulous. Okay, if you got any stock, just let me know. Again, do help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out, right? Thank you very much. Okay, Emulous, I think, Joel, yesterday you asked me also, right? But unfortunately, no reversal yet. This one, no reversal yet. Okay, if you ask me, the trend still not good. Okay, the trend still, short-term trend is still the other setups. Okay, if you ask me, the other setups. Unlike like Mr. DIY, they make a reversal of this. Okay, so never mind. Let me zoom out a little bit to check the long-term support. Okay, the other support. Left-hand side, no support. Okay, so this is it's a previous lower. Oh no, here go lower. But this one back to 2020. Sometimes the support too far away. I also feel that it doesn't really make sense also. Okay, but it's okay since we have some data over here. Okay, looks like 20 cents is a support area also lah. 20 cents or 90 cents slightly below lah. Okay, so yeah, if you keen or maybe you already entered, okay, maybe you want to check out this area over here, 19 cents level. Okay, make sure you check out 19 cents level. If let's say drop, then probably you want to be careful. But based on daily chart at this moment, I think yesterday you asked me, right? I say something that probably we see a reversal, but tak ada lah. Okay, so far tak ada lah. So hopefully this today, okay, we're able to see something cross. Okay, like Mr. DIY. Okay, so from there we know that okay, reversal is happening. Probably we can ride on the momentum to the next resistance. Okay, now let's try Gamuda. Gamuda apa macam Okay, still holding. Okay, again, tricky area. Okay, tricky area. Okay, same with KLSE chart, KLCI chart. Okay, they are heading to the gap resistance area. Okay, tricky area, right? So, Kelvin, this few days is crucial. I'm not sure how long it will test this area over here, but normally this is the area that actually they will form inverse pullback. Okay, if you take note also, actually this few day up candle tak ada volume sangat. Okay, not much of volume. Okay, so have to watch out. Okay, have to watch out. So let's say it goes up, drop back again. Okay, it's weak. Okay, so I'm not sure whether Kevin looking for entry exit. Okay, welcome Joel. I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but if you're looking for entry, since now it's already at resistance, I think probably want to be more patient to wait for them to cross and then stay above 4 ringgits. I think it would be somehow nicer. So if you ask me, okay, I can think of two stocks right now that I can remember. One is MYEG. Okay, MYEG. MYEG also I'm interested. Yes. Okay, so this is what we call the shakeout. Drop. Okay, I mean that's good or bad. Of course, my strategy always won't buy at the bottom. Okay, I always buy on certain confirmation. But sometimes you buy bottom, it goes lower. Okay, so this is the reasons why normally I don't buy it when it drops with high volume. So over here, let's say they stay above 90 cents for a few days, then okay, probably I'm more interested. Maybe they got a chance to retest the next resistance or even higher. Right, so this is what we call shakeout. Okay, the other one, okay, I think currently is forming. Okay, a bit similar like Gamuda. Okay, is MBSP. Okay, MBSP also today 70 cents, crucial level. Let me just draw here. Okay, this is a trend, and here we got one gaps. Okay, so 70 cents. If let's say okay, you can cross, I think it's good. Maybe they got a chance to break further. Okay, but today again, maybe we want to wait for something like MYG Okay, cross retest because since now it's already at resistance also. Unless you tell me that the price drop here, you are looking for technical rebound, then okay, right? The risk reward still worth to look into, but right now it's at the resistance. If let's say today all you turn lagi, okay, they will drop back to support also kena. Okay, so that's my opinion on Gamuda. Again, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but based on current setup over here, I would say that be a little bit careful. Okay, be a little bit careful. I mean, short-term trend we already know is downtrending. Okay, you can see it's downtrending right now. Okay, so here also we have some sort of like the gaps. Okay, maybe I'm afraid that it will inverse pullback. Okay, again, just my opinion. Doesn't mean it's true. I might be wrong also. All right, now let's look into ceiling. Okay, I look into MN holding as well. Okay, good morning, Naranjans. Okay, okay. No setups. This one no setups. Recall bull runner. But I'm not sure, recall, you're looking for entry exit. Okay, short term no setups as well. Okay, no setup at all for me. Like I said, unless you're aiming for inverse pullback, okay, or technical rebound to 25 cents area. Yeah, lah. I cannot see any setups actually for silly. Or maybe we come back again a few days later to see whether got any potential or not. Okay, holding. This one also do shakeout. Okay, this one also do shakeout. Okay, this one MIG do shakeout. Okay, here. Okay, previously they dropped below. This one a deep one, pushing it back. Okay, stay above 1 ringgit. I think is okay, right? So over here also we got a little bit of so-called weakening of trend. Okay, so if let's say price later on able to push up this line, would be nicer. Okay, if let's say they're able to push back, would be nicer. But so far, I think okay because they got a shakeout. Okay, as long as I think they stay above 1 ringgit, should be quite safe. Okay, for holdings. All right. Okay, do let me know any other counters you want me to look into. Okay, if not, I just go to my alerts. Then we'll end our section for this morning over here. Okay, MBSB, HPP, HB. Okay, this one's for Jalan, the upper. Able Group. Okay, Able Group trying to reverse, but need to see the closing. So far, not that keen and interested. MMAG. Ooh, pullback. Okay, nice one. Probably next pullback setups can watch out for MMAG. Maxis, MRCB, Suncon. Okay. OCK. Okay, let's try OCK. If not, what we do is that we can actually go back to yesterday's trade signal and look for those that actually make a good closing one. Okay, but today probably they don't really move a lot. Okay, so this is something that usually I will look into as well. Okay, Gadang yesterday towards the end we have Gadang closing the gaps. How about today? Okay, not to say closing the gaps are almost at trading at the gaps. Okay, closing at the gaps. So yeah, hopefully today remains low volume. Okay, IWCT. Hey, this one nice. This one nice. This one other volume with reversal. Okay, yesterday 21% radio. Okay, never mind. We see hourly pullback. Probably got chance. Yesterday closing with shooting star, but today still very jalan. Okay, we wait for hourly pullback. IWCT. Okay, we probably wait for hourly pullback. Okay, got chance. Okay, again, going back to my trick signal. Again, for those that who are using X chart, okay, this is some of the way that actually you can use our so-called trick signal over here. You can go back to past 1 or 2 days. Per se for me, yes. Normally what I do, go back to past 1, 2 days ago. Then from there, actually you can check what's to actually make a strong closing on the day. But today probably make a further pullbacks, okay, so that we got a chance to enter as well. Okay, TDVHB. Okay, this one's similar Upstar. Data prep. Okay, moving forward, also we will have a 30-minute signal and weekly signal. So again, suitable for those that who want to look for short-term opportunities or maybe you want to look for your long terms. Okay, Gadang, we review already. SNS. Okay, similar all the time. WCT. Let's try WCT. Double bottoms. Looks like double bottoms. Okay, I think this one got potential to retest 70 cents as well. Probably look for quick short-term opportunities. Okay, if let's say there's no other questions, okay, it looks like this morning, slightly a bit quiet, okay, but it's good, okay, good chance to look for stocks that are having strength in the background with pullback. I can best using hourly chart. Just now we spot few. I think yeah, probably today I would try Gosan, Gosan, Dufu. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me. If you like my section, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right, you know I got a Telegram group as well. Join my Telegram so that we have more discussions, okay, in the Telegram. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.